Here's how to properly use laundry beads. Now just keep in mind these are not a replacement for detergent. This is a add-on. Detergent is for cleaning the clothes. These are for making your clothes smell ultra good and have a nice fragrance. But the very first thing you're going to want to do to use these is you need to make sure your laundry barrel is empty. I would take out your clothes, put them on the side because you actually have to put this in first before you actually put any laundry in your barrel. But all you want to do to measure this is you simply just want to take off the lid. And as you can see in the inside, there's actually a measurement 1 and 2 right here, depending on how big of a load you actually are using. Now, if it's a smaller load, you obviously want to use 1, or if it's a bigger one, you can obviously use 2. So I'm just going to pour this into my lid right here, or you can do it directly if you want to eyeball it, but I highly recommend just using the lid. You can see I'm filling it to 1 just because I'm not doing a very big load right now. In doing so, you just want to take your cup of beads and just pour it directly into your wash like so. And you can see it'll sit on the bottom, and then now we just want to add our laundry on top of it. In doing so, you just want to take your detergent, the final piece. This will actually clean your clothes unlike this, which just gives them a good fresh rinse. And when you're actually putting your detergent in your wash, you can actually see there's also 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 just on this cup right here. And you basically just want to fill it up in equivalence to how much of clothes you're doing, exact same way as that. Just fill up the detergent. It's about on the 1 line right there. And then I'm just going to pour this on top of my laundry, and after doing that, you should basically be good to go to running your washer. Just close it up like so, and you simply want to just start using your wash however you do. Now, you can run it normally, completely normally, and that's all you need to do to use laundry beads, and you need to pair it with detergent at all times. Just keep that in mind. If you found this helpful, please leave a like on this video, and thank you so much for watching.